The next category under OPPI QCI Quality Award for Excellent Facility 2021, which is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. I would once again request Mr. Mohan Bhandari to announce the winner's name.
Thank you. So, winner of OPPI QCI Quality Award for Excellent Facility 2021 in the MSME Pharma category is Galentic Pharma, Manufacturing Unit number 2, located at Gandhi Dham, Gujarat, for the quality culture and innovative approaches applied in the manufacturing of finished dosage form.
Big congratulations to Galentic Pharma. I'd like to invite the winning team from Galentic Pharma, Managing Director Bhupendra Sanghani, Director Hemang Vora, and Director Jay Mehta to join us on screen. Can we have the display of the recognition, please? Our heartiest congratulations, and request the winners to say a few words, please.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to receive this prestigious award. And definitely, I would like to thank both OPPI and QCI for this great initiative, which will definitely attract lots of MSME or SME companies to take part in the future programs like this. And definitely, they would kind of do better and better. And maybe next award would be still difficult for us, I believe. So we'll definitely do much better than what we have done this time. And this definitely encourages to improve upon quality continuously, as it's a regular kind of a habit or a practice. I'd just say about our team also. Our team has done a lot of or put in a lot of effort to get this award, and this really is a very challenging work. So at Galantic, we have also put in a practice in such a manner that it's everybody's responsibility or must follow the quality at all times to bring in about the good results in the product and offer quality products at affordable price to the people at large. We have been supplying medicines to US, Europe, and Africa, India as well. So I'm happy to state that the quality parameters, the quality is same whether it's Africa, India, USA, Europe. There is no difference whatsoever in terms of quality, in terms of products offered to the people, all material use, etc. This award is a reward to the efforts put in by all Galentic family members across this last 25 years, and I dedicate this award to all team's relentless effort. We strive to build an attitude that quality is not a one-time act, but should be a habit. So, with that, I will just ask my other team members to just say a few words. Hemang, Jay.
So, on behalf of Galentic, I would like to thank OPPI and QCI for recognizing the effort at Galentic and awarding us this particular award. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is an excellent platform, and it encourages us to push further under the leadership of Mr. Sanghani and great team members that we have. And thank you for this award.
Once again, a big congratulations to the entire team. May I request you to once again hold the trophy high so that we can take a great snapshot of this victory. Thank you.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Billcare Research for sponsoring OPPI QCI Quality Award for Excellent Facility 2021 for both award categories, that is large pharma companies and MSME pharma. Congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much, Mr. Suresh Patathal, and thank you, Mr. Mohan Bhandari, for being here and also, of course, for sponsoring this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.